abi-abi gid namon kamo, agapasalamat gid kami sa inyong presensya makarong adlaw, makarong agahon kapinggid sa aton nga GI unveiling later. So, every great story begins with a single thread, a thread that carries the of generations, a thread patiently woven by skilled hands, and a thread that continues to connect our past with our future. And for years, the people of Aklan have transformed delicate piña fibers into extraordinary works of art. What many see as a piece of cloth is to us a living tradition, a reflection of our identity, resilience, creativity, and pride as Aklanons. Every strand tells the story of our farmers, the fiber processors, the nutters, the weavers, all of our incredible designers, the artisans, and all culture bearers whose dedication has kept this tradition alive. And just over 2 years ago, Aklan Piña Handloom Weaving earned the global recognition when it was inscribed on UNESCO intent representative list of the intangible cultural heritage of humanity. Proof that our weaving tradition is a heritage worthy of safeguarding for generations to come. And today, we celebrate yet another defining milestone in that journey. As we launch the Aklan Piña Geographical Indication or GI seal, we strengthen our commitment to protecting the authenticity, reputation, and identity of Aklan Piña. While UNESCO recognizes the living tradition of our people, the GI seal safeguards the product born from their knowledge and craftsmanship, ensuring that the name Aklan Piña remains a symbol of excellence, authenticity, and cultural pride. And as we take another significant step in that journey, a geographical indication or GI is a mark of quality and authenticity. It identifies a product as originating from a specific place where its unique qualities, reputation, and characteristics are deeply rooted in the people, traditions, skills, and environment of that locality. And to simply put, it tells the world that a product is genuinely from where it claims to be, and that its excellence cannot be separated from its place of origin. And this morning, we also entrust the future of this movement to a new generation of leaders through the induction of the officers of the Aklan Manufacturer and Traders Association or Aklan Piña Mantra Association for the year 2026 to 2027, and whose dedication and vision will continue to preserve and promote this priceless legacy. Ladies and gentlemen, distinguished guests, partners from all the government agencies, members of the weaving community, honored artisans, culture bearers, ladies and gentlemen, a pleasant morning to everyone. Mayad-ayad nga agahon sa tanan. I am Erica Paula Galvan, and it is my distinct privilege to serve as your host for this remarkable event. And on behalf of the Aklan Piña Mantra Association, together with the provincial government of Aklan, the municipality of Calibo, the Department of Trade and Industry, and all our partners, welcome po to the induction of officers and launching of the Aklan Piña Geographical Indication Seal. And to formally begin our program, may I request everyone to please rise for the opening prayer, and this will be followed by the singing of the Philippine National Anthem and the Aklan hymn through recorded music.
Heavenly Father, we gather today with a grateful hearts as we celebrate the induction of officers and the launching of the Aklan Piña Geographical Indication Seal. We thank you for this milestone and for the many hands and hearts that have worked tirelessly to preserve the rich heritage of Aklan Piña weaving. Bless this endeavor and may it continue to bring hope, livelihood, and pride to our weaving communities. Grant our officers the wisdom, integrity, humility, and strength as they lead with dedication and serve with compassion. May they work together in unity for the growth of our organization and the advancement of the Aklan Piña industry. Bless our guests, partners, and all those gathered here today. Guide us in every decision we make, that our efforts may honor you and benefit future generations. We entrust this gathering into your loving hands. In Jesus' name we pray. Amen.
Every meaningful journey begins with a warm welcome. And to officially welcome us all, it is my pleasure to introduce a woman whose dedication and passion have continuously inspired the growth of the piña industry in the province of Aklan. Ladies and gentlemen, the president of the Aklan Piña Mantra Association, Ms. Ana India de la Cruz Legaspi. A big round of applause, please.
Thank you, Erica. To our distinguished guests, the Honorable Mayor Juris D. Sucro, our inducting officer. Honorable Jess Marquez, Congressman of the 1st District of Aklan, and Honorable Jose Enrique Miraflores, Governor of the Province of Aklan, whom soon will be represented by Mr. Romel Amihan, Assistant Regional Director of the Department of Trade and Industry, Region 6, Honorable S.B. Ronald Marte, to our distinguished representatives from the Department of Trade and Industry, the Provincial Government of Aklan, the Municipal Government of Calibo, PhilFIDA, DOST, DA, our partner government agencies, local government units, members of the Academe, media partners, fellow officers, and members of Aklan Piña Mantra Incorporated, our weavers, artisans, entrepreneurs, valued stakeholders, ladies and gentlemen, a pleasant good morning to everyone. On behalf of the Board of Trustees and the members of the Aklan Piña Mantra Association Incorporated, it is my great honor and pleasure to warmly welcome you to this very special occasion, the induction of officers in the launching of the Aklan Piña Geographical Indication Seal. Today marks more than the beginning of a new term of leadership. It is also a celebration of our collective journey to protect, preserve, and promote one of Aklan's greatest cultural treasures, the world-renowned Aklan Piña. The launch of this geographical indication seal is a testament to years of collaboration, dedication, and unwavering commitment from our weavers, artisans, government partners, and everyone who believed in this vision. To our guests, thank you for taking the time to celebrate this milestone with us. It is your presence inspires us and strengthens our commitment to continue preserving our heritage while creating greater opportunities for our weaving communities. May today's program renew our shared commitment to excellence, collaboration, and sustainable growth for the Aklan Piña industry. Once again, welcome and thank you for being part of this historic celebration. Mayad-ayad nga agawon, and may God bless us all.
Thank you very much, Tita India. And now, to introduce our distinguished inducting officer, may I call on the Public Relations Officer of the Aklan Piña Mantra Association, Ms. Tamar Restar.
Mayad-ayad nga agahon katong tanan. My task is to introduce our inducting officer, which had been chosen for his valuable support in making the piña industry globally recognized fabric as its geographical indication had been approved. Besides being a key figure in setting forth innovations and economic development in the capital town of the province of Aklan. He remains humble with profound sense of empathy and generosity. What sets him apart from others is his unwavering commitment to be of service to the community, not only in his hometown, but nationwide as well. His leadership is an inspiration to us, the officers of Aklan Piña Mantra, to explore beyond the realms of the handlooms to a more competitive skills in the global market, bringing pride to the province of Aklan, producing the queen of all fabrics, the one and only Aklan Piña cloth. Without further ado, it is with pride and honor that this induction of the officers of the Aklan Piña Manufacturers and Traders Association be administered by the young and active Chief Executive of the Municipality of Calibo, no other than the Honorable Mayor Juris Bautista Sucro.
Thank you very much, ma'am. And our inducting officer is on his way, so let's just wait for a little while. But before that, let's all watch the audiovisual presentation prepared by the Piña Mantra Association. So from safeguarding our traditions, from the DTI, I stand corrected, prepared by the Department of Trade and Industry, Aklan. So from safeguarding our traditions to earning international recognitions to protecting the identity of our piña through geographical indication, our journey has never been easy, but every challenge has strengthened our resolve. And at this time, let us revisit this inspiring story through our audiovisual presentation entitled The Journey of Aklan Piña Toward Geographical Indication Registration. Thank you very much to the Department of Trade and Industry Aklan for that AVP. Maraming salamat po. And so leadership begins with service. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, to introduce our distinguished inducting officer for this morning, may I call on the Public Relations Officer of Aklan Piña Mantra Association, Ms. Tamar Restar. A big round of applause, please.
Round 2. Hello. Oh, good morning once again. My task is to introduce our inducting officer, which had been chosen for his valuable support in making the piña industry globally recognized fabric as its geographical indication had been approved. Besides being a key figure in setting forth innovations and economic development in the capital town of the province of Baclan, he remains humble with profound sense of empathy and generosity. What sets him apart from others is his unwavering commitment to be of service to the community not only in his hometown, but nationwide as well. His leadership is an inspiration to us, the officers of Aklan Piña Mantra, to explore beyond the realms of the handlooms to a more competitive skills in the global market, bringing pride to the province of Baclan, producing the queen of all fabrics, the one and only Aklan Piña Cloth. Without further ado, it is with pride and honor that this induction of officers of the Aklan Piña Manufacturers and Traders Association be administered by the young and active Chief Executive of the Municipality of Calibo, Rugwapo, aktibo ag mahugod nga Municipal Mayor, no other than the Honorable Mayor Juris Bautista Sucro.
Thank you, Ma'am Restar. Our inducting officer has consistently shown his commitment to supporting programs that uplift culture, heritage, and local industries in the municipality of Calibo and beyond. Ladies and gentlemen, the Municipal Mayor of the Municipality of Calibo, our inducting officer, Honorable Juris Bautista Sucro.
Thank you. To our Congressman, I think Magtuman Imar, Congressman Honorable Jess Marquez, our Governor, Jose Enrique Miraflores, our Assistant Regional Director, Romel Amihan of the DTI, the officers and members of the Aklan Piña Mantra Association, our master weavers, artisans, farmers, partners, and from the government and the private sector, may ayan nga agahon kato na tanan. There are occasions when we gather to celebrate an achievement. There are occasions when we gather to recognize people, but today is even more meaningful because we are both doing. We are welcoming a new set of leaders who will carry forward the work of the Aklan Piña Mantra Association. And at the same time, we are celebrating another milestone in the journey of our beloved Habu Piña to the launching of its Geographical Indication Seal, the GI Seal. As Mayor of Calibo and as a proud Aklanon, this gives me great joy and pride. Growing up in Aklan, we have always known that our piña weaving is special. We have admired the patience, the precision, and the artistry of our weavers. But sometimes we become so accustomed so that we have never forget just how extraordinary it truly is. The truth is, what our weavers create is not ordinary fabric, it is a masterpiece. It is a history woven by hand. That is why today's launching of the Geographical Indication Seal is so important. The seal tells the world something that we have known. The authentic Aklan Piña is unlike any other. Actually, let me share na at least may seal na before pagdaog na akong 2022. So, pili ako mga barong, iba-iba, may local barongs, then somewhere in Laguna, Lumban. Tanaw ako't barong. So, manami ako barong, kamahal ka na. Then, upon knowing, find out, ng mga tanang ako sa Indusor Standard Pinya, they said, halin iya, katon. So, imagine do andang profit na bako ng barato ang do fabric, the raw material, then upon they have the machine, computerized, then the embroidery, marketing, kamahot ako andang baligya. Tapos naduduga na kung sino andang source, syempre isip andata. So that's why manami nga nila na may seal kita Aklan, at least hindi ta maduga do atong identity na iya ta naghalin. So at least may ipasa naton for the next generations to come. Actually, under my term, siguro dewang ka designer to ro umagdo sa opisina. Nagpumakyaw sa dat pinya, I think it was Poy Quiñones and Mark Baumgartner. Abo ang tanggit binakay na pinya, barato at andang buo. Tapos pag makita na kung doon andang baligya, kamang mahal andang baligya ng mga barong. Kung sayod ko na pinatungan ko lang kunta, tinubuan ko na sana. Because pila andang bakay sa tela no? Tapos mag-agto ka sa andang mga barong, it would cost around 50 or more than andang baligya kamar 6 digits pa nga kung amat because the name, the marketing na so at least siguro mas manami na ma-identity kita, at least hindi kita madura sa limelight sa scene na iya tagali halin do andang raw materials do fabric sa andang ginobran ng mga outfit nanda. Before I administer your oath, allow me to leave you with this thought. A beautiful piña fabric is made from thousands of delicate fibers, each one carefully woven together. Leadership is much the same. No single person can preserve our heritage alone. Congratulations once again to the newly elected officers. May your leadership be guided by integrity, strengthened by unity, and inspired by your love for Aklan and its people. Thank you, and may God bless us all.
Thank you very much, Mayor Juris Socro. And leadership is not measured by the titles we hold, but the lives we inspire and communities we choose to serve. And today, we welcome a new chapter in the continuing journey of the Aklan Piña Mantra Association. And may I respectfully invite our officers for the year 2026 to 2027 to please come forward as your names are called. Ladies and gentlemen, a big round of applause to our President, Ms. Ana India de la Cruz Legaspi of Habico. Vice President, Mr. Juler A. Fernandez of Jaff Piña Cloth. Treasurer, Ms. Ann Jairos R. Marte of Raycon's Piña Cloth. Secretary, Ms. Jenny V. Rogano of Hamco. Assistant Secretary Treasurer, Ms. Kathleen F. Sutoniel of Sutoniel's Piña Cloth. Public Relations Officer, Ms. Tamar M. Restar of Cindy's Arts and Designs. Auditor, Mr. Alan M. Tumbucon of La Herminia. Board of Trustee, Ms. Orsolita M. De La Cruz of the De La Cruz House of Piña. Board of Trustee member, Mr. Boji D. Banjola of the Banjola Piña Cloth, and Board of Trustee member, Ms. Marian Kuldura of the Kuldura Piña Cloth. Ladies and gentlemen, our Board of Trustees and officers for 2026 and 2027 of the Aklan, Piña, and Indigenous Fibers Manufacturers and Traders Association Incorporated. Bigyan po natin sila ng isang masigabong palakpakan. May I invite our inducting officer to administer the oath of office?
Do solemnly swear that I will faithfully execute the duties of my position as, to the best of my ability, and I will uphold, protect, and defend the bylaws and policies I commit in serving the Aklan Piña Mantra Association with integrity, transparency, and dedication, always striving to promote equality and the common good. I will perform my responsibilities without hesitation and will work tirelessly to advance the mission and values of this association. In assuming this role, I pledge to uphold the highest standards of ethical conduct and to act in the best interests of Aklan Piña Mantra Association. So help me God. Congratulations po.
Thank you very much, Mayor Juris Sucro. And now to give the token and certificate of appreciation to our inducting officer, may I request Mayor Juris to please come here at the center. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, our inducting officer for the induction of officers of the Aklan Piña Mantra Association. Maraming salamat po, Mayor Juris Sucro. History is not written overnight. It is woven patiently, purposely, one thread, one artisan, one generation at a time. And today, we witness another defining moment in the story of Aklan Piña. The geographical indication seal is more than an emblem. It is our commitment to authenticity. It protects our heritage. It honors our artisans. It preserves the generations of knowledge. And it tells the world that genuine piña comes from the province of Aklan. Ladies and gentlemen, today marks a historic milestone for the Aklan Piña industry as we formally launch the Aklan Piña Geographical Indication Seal, a symbol of authenticity, excellence, and the rich cultural heritage of our province. Inspired by the officially registered Aklan Quality Seal, this GI seal carries forward the identity that has long represented the craftsmanship and integrity of Aklan-made products. At the same time, it aligns with the visual standards and purpose of the Philippine Geographical Indication System, which promotes products whose unique qualities and reputation are inseparably linked to their place of origin. At the heart of the seal is the piña plant, representing the source of the world-renowned Aklan piña fiber and the generations of artisans whose skill has transformed this natural resource into exquisite woven masterpieces. And behind it is the map of the province of Aklan, signifying that the distinct quality and reputation of Aklan piña can only come from this land, its people, and its centuries-old weaving tradition. Encircling the design are the words geographical indication, promise that every authentic Aklan piña product carrying the seal embodies the pride, artistry, and enduring legacy of the province of Aklan. And now, with great pride and honor, may I invite all our distinguished guests to please join us at the center. Honorable Mayor Juris Bautista Sucro, Honorable Ronald B. Marte, Assistant Director of DTI, Mr. Romel Amihan, together with the Provincial Tourism Officer, Ms. Rosel Quimper Ruiz, and Mr. Marsh Bernabe, together with the Tourism Officer of the Municipality of Calibo, Ms. Rhea Rose Meran, and the President of the Aklan Piña Mantra Association, Ms. Ana India de la Cruz Legaspi. We would also like to request the representatives from the Aklan State University and Aklan Philfida. We would also like to request Ma'am Grace Benedicto to please join us at the center. We would also like to request the representatives from the DOST to please join us here on stage. Okay. Side view. Compress. Okay, are we ready, everyone? Okay, ladies and gentlemen, it is my privilege to present to you the official Aklan Piña Geographical Indication Seal, a symbol of authenticity, heritage, excellence, and enduring legacy of the Aklanon weaving tradition. At a count of 1, 2, and 3, ladies and gentlemen, the official geographical indication seal of the province of Aklan. Maraming salamat po to all the people who have contributed to the success of the Aklan Piña weaving industry. Let's have a photo op first. Thank you very much po. And from this day forward, the seal shall stand as the official mark of authentic Aklan Piña products, recognized for their origin, protected by law, and celebrated by the world. Maraming salamat po. You may now take your seats. Every milestone is made possible through partnerships to believe in preserving our heritage while creating opportunities for our communities. And as we celebrate the successful induction of our new officers and the launching of the Aklan Piña Geographical Indication Seal, let us now hear words of inspiration from distinguished public servants whose unwavering support has contributed to the growth and recognition of Aklan Piña. Our speaker has been at the forefront of numerous initiatives that have elevated Aklan onto both the national and international stage. And under his leadership, our province has continued to safeguard its cultural treasures while opening greater opportunities for all of its people. Ladies and gentlemen, join me in welcoming the Governor of the Province of Aklan, Honorable Jose Enrique M. Miraflores, to be represented by the ever-supportive and dedicated tourism champion of the Province of Aklan. Please welcome the Provincial Tourism Officer, Mrs. Rosel Kimpo Ruiz.
Okay, maayad-ayad nga agahon sa tanan, of course, to Mayor Juris Socro, Assistant Regional Director Sir Romel Amihan, our Engineer Grace M. Benedicto, our OIC, Provincial Director for the Province of Aklan. Welcome to Aklan, ma'am. Of course, the President of Aklan Piña Mantra, si Tita India, and all the new set of officers, si SB Ronald Marte, our partners, friends, may daig nga agahon sa tanan. The governor would have wanted to be with us this morning, galing hay sa Manila pa imaw at this time, and will be returning tomorrow. But gin-instructionan gid na kami ni Marsh to be here, no, to extend the support of the province to the Aklan Piña industry. So allow me to read his message for us this morning. Today marks a meaningful milestone as we gather for the induction of the new set of officers of the Aklan Piña Mantra and the launching of our geographical indication seal. This occasion is not only a celebration of new leadership, but also a reaffirmation of our shared commitment to preserving, promoting, and elevating the rich heritage of Aklan's Piña weaving tradition. To our newly inducted officers, your leadership comes with both an opportunity and a responsibility. May you serve with integrity, vision, dedication, inspiring collaboration among our weavers, artisans, designers, and stakeholders. Every decision you make has the potential to strengthen our organization or the organization, empower our communities, and ensure that the legacy of our craftsmanship continues to flourish for generations to come. The launch of the GI Seal is a symbol of pride and authenticity for us. It represents the exceptional quality, distinct identity, and cultural significance of the Aklan Piña products. More than a mark of origin, it is a promise to the world that every piece bearing the seal reflects the skill, the passion, the heritage of the people of Aklan. As we begin this new chapter, may we continue to weave not only the finest piña fibers, but also stronger partnerships, greater opportunities, and a brighter future for our artisans. Let us embrace innovation while honoring tradition, ensuring that our heritage remains vibrant and globally recognized. Congratulations, Gid, to our new officers and to everyone who made the GI Seal a reality, no? Salamat gid sa tanan. Rest assured that the provincial government of Aklan is always here to support you and to pursue programs to preserve and promote our century-old tradition. Together, let us continue weaving excellence, preserving our identity, and inspiring the world with the timeless artistry of Aklan. Salamat gid and good morning.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much, Ma'am Karina, and please extend our warmest thanks and appreciation to Governor Joan Miraflores and the entire provincial government of Aklan. Before we proceed to our next speaker, we would also like to acknowledge and extend our thanks and appreciation to the following people: the President of Aklan Fashion Designers Association, Ms. Cherie Reynaldo, and the President of the Fashion and Design Council of Aklan Philippines Incorporated, Mr. Peter Rian Kasidsid. And our media partners, we also have from Aklanan News and Calibre Reporter, the ever-supportive Ms. Chita de la Cruz Heap, and of course, our Calibo Cable TV partner. Maraming salamat po for gracing our event. And at this point, our next speaker represents an institution that has played a vital role in strengthening our local industries, empowering our entrepreneurs, and advancing the competitiveness of Philippine products in the global market. Indeed, today's launching of the Geographical Indication Seal is another testament to what meaningful collaboration between government and stakeholders can accomplish. Ladies and gentlemen, the very person who spearheaded the geographical indication registration for Aklan Piña. Please join me in welcoming the Assistant Regional Director of the Department of Trade and Industry Region 6. A big round of applause to Mr. Romel L. Amihan. Mr. Romel L. Amihan.
Morning. Thank you. It's nice to be back. Mustaman ka bo? Maayad-ayad nga kaagahon sa ating tanan. Okay pa ako na akyanon? Pila mga days, no? Anyway, SB Marty, wow. We've been partners, no? Kasi si SB Marty is the chair of trade and tourism na ngayon. Years ago, parang trade and commerce kaya yata. Yan. Okay. Oo. Kasi sa mga trade fairs natin sa Iloilo, di ba? Kasama tayo. Representing the province of Aklan, our provincial tourism officer, Ma'am Rosel. Karami siyang speech mo, ma'am, no? Nice one, no? Of course, it's Sir Mars, no? Another department head from the province of Aklan. Partner mo sa SSF, no? June 30, my last hurrah, my last engagement with the province. We're able to launch the SSF in New Washington, no? That's for the support of the wearable and home style industry cluster, no? That's about 2.8 million. Yan, no? Shared service facility. Ang siling ko ang pangbinibining Pilipinas, Kalibo Tourism Officer. Ma'am Rhea, bawi lang, no? Oh. Of course, our industry partners, si Ma'am Dina, PD Dina, how are you? Saan ako mabalik si Lilo? You started here 2019. It's 2026, about 7 years. Our partner also from PhilFIDA, Professor Melba, Ma'am, ASU. Our industry partners, media partners, I mean, no? AFDA and all other stakeholders. Again, no, may aga sa tanam. It is with gratitude that I join you today for the induction of officers and the launching of the Aklan Piña Geographical Indication Seal. Kanami, no? Simple lang, simple yet impactful, no? Congratulations sa Piña Mantra. This is a milestone that marks another significant chapter in preserving and promoting one of Aklan's most treasured cultural and economic assets. Years ago, when we embarked on the journey of securing the GI registration for Aklan Piña, we knew that the road would not be easy. Yet today, seeing the GI seal officially launched and the organization strengthened through the induction of its officers, I am reminded that great achievements are never the work of one person or one institution. The successful registration of the Aklan Piña GI is a testament to the power of collaboration. Remember, power of collaboration. It was made possible through the unwavering partnership among the DDI, our dedicated Piña weavers and producers, national and local government agencies, local government units. I remember 17 LGUs, no, province-wide have been involved on this initiative. Academic institutions and our many development partners and stakeholders. Each one contributed valuable expertise, resources, and commitment toward a shared vision to protect the authenticity, quality, and global reputation of the world-renowned Aklan Piña. To our Piña weavers, you are the heart and soul of this achievement. Your exceptional craftsmanship, ang inyong pasensya, ang inyong passion, have kept this centuries-old tradition alive and still kicking, now, even until now. The GI registration and the GI seal are above all a recognition of your artistry and your invaluable contribution to the heritage of the whole province of Aklan. Today, we celebrate not just an accomplishment but for a new beginning. The true measure of success of the Aklan Piña GI lies in how it transforms the lives of our people. We envision greater market recognition, increased consumer confidence, higher product value, where we can demand premium price, no, for our Piña products, expanded local and international market opportunities, increased sales, and more employment for our weaving communities. Most importantly, we hope that the benefits of the GI will reach every artisan on this remarkable industry. As we induct, no, the newly set of officers, I encourage you, this is my challenge sa Ma'am India and the officers, embrace your responsibility as stewards of the Aklan Piña geographical indication. The GI seal is more than a mark of origin. It is a symbol of excellence, just like what we've heard earlier. The symbol of excellence, authenticity, and collective responsibility. Let us continue working together to uphold the standards that define Aklan Piña, safeguard its integrity, and ensure that future generations will inherit not only this rich tradition, but also a thriving and sustainable Piña industry. May today's ceremony inspire us to strengthen our partnerships, deepen our commitment, and continue weaving opportunities for inclusive growth and prosperity. So congratulations to the newly inducted officers of Piña Mantra. Again, you're the stewards, no, of our seal, no, of GI Piña seal. Together, let's ensure that the Aklan Piña GI becomes not only a symbol of pride for Aklanon, but also a lasting source of livelihood, innovation, and sustainable development for the people of Aklan. Sa liwat, no, mayad ay kaagahon, congratulations sa atong tanan. Kagbasi ko kapuli karon, nalipat yun ako mag-greet man sa akong college from DTI Aklan. Pidi Grace, how are you? This is your second day? Day 2? July 1, day 1 na subong. Di ba Monday subong? Oh. So, she's my successor. I am the predecessor of her. My successor. Of course, Ms. Rose, the unit head of the Business Development Division. Ms. Rose, dako ginang bulig niya. Of course, Amil, the Industry Development Unit Head, no, sang DTI Aklan. Madamo kang salamat kag enjoy life. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Director Amihan, for your valuable and, should I say, never-ending contribution, and for DTI's continued commitment to protecting and promoting authentic Aklan Piña through the Geographical Indication Initiative. Maraming salamat po, sir. So as today's celebration draws to a close, we are reminded that every accomplishment is only the beginning of a greater responsibility, and the journey of Aklan Piña continues to unfold, and with every milestone comes a renewed commitment to preserve our heritage, protect our identity, and create a brighter future for the generations who will inherit this remarkable tradition. And to deliver the closing remarks, may we call on the Vice President of the Aklan Piña Matra Association. A big round of applause to Mr. Jeweler A. Fernandez.
Thank you, ma'am. So, the last but not the least part, this is the very crucial part of the program, the closing remark. Okay, good day. As we conclude today's program, I would like to express our heartfelt gratitude to all our distinguished guests, partners, stakeholders, and participants for making this occasion truly meaningful. Today's induction of officers and launching of the Aklan Piña Geographical Indication Seal mark an important milestone in preserving and promoting the rich heritage of Aklan Piña. These achievements reflects our shared commitment to protecting authenticity, quality, and global recognition of one of Aklan's most treasured cultural products. To our newly inducted officers, yours truly, may we lead the dedication, integrity, and a strong sense of purpose as we continue to empower our artisans and strengthen the piña industry. Let us move forward together with pride, unity, and determination in ensuring that the legacy of Aklan Piña continues to inspire future generations. Thank you once again for your unwavering support. Mabuhay Aklan Piña and mabuhay ang lalawigan ng Aklan.
Thank you very much, Sir Jeweler. And now, to give po the tokens of appreciation to our distinguished guest, may I request the representatives of the provincial government of Aklan from the Office of the Governor, Mrs. Rosel Kimpo Ruiz, the Provincial Tourism Officer, together with Mr. Marsh Bernabe, the Department Head of PESO Aklan, to Honorable Ronald Marte, the representative from the Municipality of Calibo, and Assistant Regional Director, Mr. Romel L. Amihan. To give the tokens, may I request the President of the Aklan Piña Mantra Association, Ms. Ana India de la Cruz Legaspi, together with the Vice President, Mr. Jeweler A. Fernandez. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, let's give a big round of applause to our distinguished guests. May I also request Ma'am Grace Benedicto from DTI Aklan to please join us here on stage for the giving of token of appreciation to our guests. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, a big round of applause to our guests. Thank you very much po for gracing our event. Maraming salamat po. Picture. Ayan. Thank you very much, sirs and ma'ams. Maraming salamat po. And as we conclude today's program, let us remember that the story of Aklan Piña is not woven by one person alone. It is woven by every ensure that the traditions of our ancestors continue to thrive while providing opportunities for the generations to come. And on behalf po of the Aklan Piña Mantra Association, together with the provincial government of Aklan, the municipality of Calibo, the Department of Trade and Industry, and to all our partners, we extend our heartfelt gratitude to everyone who joined us in celebrating this historic occasion. To our stakeholders po, to our agency partners, to all the partner institutions, to the TTI, of course, to the PhilFida, to DOST, to the Aklan State University, Aklan Historical and Cultural Association Incorporated, to the Non-Timber Forest Products EP, to all the local designers, and of course, our piña industry companies. We have the Culderas Piña Cloth, De La Cruz House of Piña, Jaff Piña Cloth, Red Pineapple Arts and Crafts, Handicraft of Aklan Multipurpose Cooperative or HAMCO, the Banjola Piña Weaving, Raycon's Piña Cloth and Industry, Sutoniel Piña Cloth and Native Products, Cindy's Arts and Designs, Elizabeth Razonable Piña Weaving, La Herminia Piña Weaving, and Dodong and Bikay Piña Weaving and Barong. Maraming salamat po. And congratulations to our newly elected officers. Congratulations to every culture bearer, artisan, farmer, weaver, and stakeholder. And congratulations po to the entire province of Aklan for yet another remarkable chapter in the continuing story of our beloved Piña. Sa uman, mayad-ayad gid nga adlaw, maabog gid nga salamat sa tanan, and congratulations once again. Maraming salamat po. Let's have a photo op. Okay. Yes, okay. Let's have our photo opportunities. May I request the officers, all the members of the Aklan Piña Mantra Association to please come forward for the photo.